Good morning everybody, I am Sridhar Reddy. Today my topic is equivalent weight. What is the definition of equivalent weight? How to calculate the equivalent weight of the different substances? Let us take here. The weight of one element, that is called as the X, the weight of one element that reacts with the 1.008 grams of hydrogen atom or 8 grams of oxygen atom or 35.5 grams of chlorine atom, that weight is called as the equivalent weight. The weight of one element that reacts with the 1.008 grams of hydrogen or 8 grams of oxygen or 35.5 grams of chlorine, that weight is called as the equivalent weight. How to calculate the equivalent weight? The equivalent weight of the different substances can be calculated by using the different formulas. For example, I am calculating number 1, equivalent weight of atoms. Equivalent weight of the atoms. For the atoms, how to calculate the equivalent weight? Simple equation you are having, that is called as the equivalent weight of atom equal to weight of the atom by valency. Equivalent weight of any atom, how to calculate this one? It is the ratio between the weight of the atom by the valency. For example, equivalent weight of the sodium. How to calculate the equivalent weight of the sodium? Atomic weight of the sodium, it is given as the 23 divided by valency of the sodium 1. So ultimately the equivalent weight of the sodium is 23. For example, magnesium. The atomic weight of the magnesium is 24, valency is the magnesium is 2, that's why it is the 12. So equivalent weight of the magnesium is 12. Like this you will calculate the equivalent weight of the whatever compounds, whatever atoms they gives you. Number 2, equivalent weight of the acids. So how to calculate the equivalent weight of the acid? It is equal to the, so let us take here atom, atomic weight, acid, that's why it is the molecular weight of the acid. Molecular weight of the acid divided by the basicity. Acid will have the basicity. What is the basicity? The number of replaceable hydrogen ions from the acid is called the basicity of that acid. Acid will have the basicity, base will have the acidity. Now look at here. What is the equivalent weight of the acid? Same. Molecular weight of the acid, given acid, by the basicity. What is the basicity? Number of replaceable hydrogen ions from that acid. For example, I will take here HCl. What is the equivalent weight of the acid? Molecular weight of the acid, nothing but 1 hydrogen, 1 chlorine is the 35.5 divided by basicity, number of replaceable hydrogen ions. So it has only 1 hydrogen, that's why it gives you only 1 H plus ion, that's why basicity is equal to 1, ultimately 36.5. For example, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. The molecular weight of sulfuric acid, if you calculate, you will get 98 divided by 2 hydrogen, that's why 2, so which is equal to the 49. Nothing but equivalent weight of the sulfuric acid is 49, equivalent weight of the HCl is the 36.5. How it is calculated? It can be calculated by using the weight of the acid by the basicity. Basicity nothing but number of replaceable hydrogen ions. Similarly, base. What is the equivalent weight of the base? Same thing. So molecular weight of the base by molecular weight of the base divided by acidity. What is the acidity? Number of replaceable hydroxyl ions, because base nothing but they contains the hydroxyl group. How many hydroxyl groups are replaceable? That number is called as the acidity. So base will have the acidity and acid will have the basicity. Come on here. I am taking the sodium hydroxide. For example, sodium hydroxide. In the sodium hydroxide, molecular weight of the sodium is, atom is the 23, oxygen is the 16, hydrogen is the 1. Number of replaceable hydrogens, hydroxyl group, if you observe, it is the 1. That's why it is equal to 40 by 1, which is equal to the equivalent weight of the sodium hydroxide is the 40. Similarly, calcium hydroxide. Calcium, if you observe, it is the atomic weight is 40, 2 oxygen, 32, 2 hydrogen, nothing but 2 divided by how many hydroxyl group? 2 hydroxyl group, that's why number of replaceable is the 2. Ultimately, 40 plus 32, 72 plus 2, 74. 74 by 2, nothing but you will get 37. So like that we will calculate the equivalent weight of the base. And the fourth one, equivalent weight of the salt. So in order to calculate the salt, above will be the same. Molecular weight of the salt. divided by total charge on cation or anion. Total charge on the cation and or anion, any either of it. So salt is nothing but salt will have the plus ion and the minus ion. For example, I will take sodium chloride. So Na plus and Cl minus, nothing but molecular weight of the sodium chloride you have to calculate. So it is the 23 plus chlorine is the 35.5 divided by total charge on the cation or anion. Total charge on the cation is the plus 1, or total charge on the anion if you take minus 1. Just you take the magnitude only you have to take, that's why it is equal to the 1. Ultimately, sodium carbonate Na2CO3, which is a salt. Here you take sodium is the 2 sodium plus 2, CO3 is the minus 2. Ultimately, total charge on the cation is the plus 2. Ultimately, what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the equivalent weight. What is the principle? Molecular weight of the salt by total charge on the cation or anion. Molecular weight of the sodium carbonate is the 106 divided by total charge on the cation is the 2. Ultimately, it is equal to the 53. So, this is the equivalent weight of the salt. Finally, equivalent weight of the oxidizing agent or reducing agent. Equivalent weight of the oxidizing agent or reducing agent. Same formula. Look at here. Equivalent weight of atom. Weight of the atom. Equivalent weight of acid. Molecular weight of the acid. Equivalent weight of the base. Molecular weight of the base. Equivalent weight of the salt. Molecular weight of the salt. Here also. Oxidizing agent or reducing agent. That's why the molecular weight of oxidizing agent or reducing agent. If he gives you the oxidizing agent, molecular weight of the oxidizing agent. If he gives you the reducing agent, molecular weight of the reducing agent divided by the number of electron transferred. Number of electron transferred. Here I will give you the points. I will give you some examples I will take here. I am taking the good oxidizing agent. For example, I am taking the KMnO4. KMnO4. It acts as oxidizing agent in both acidic media, basic media, neutral media. Equivalent weights will be the different. This is the very important for the EAMCET examination. First, what is the molecular weight of the KMnO4? So, molecular weight of the KMnO4 by number of electron transferred. So, it has the three values: acidic media, basic media, neutral media. In acidic media, if you observe, the weight of the KMnO4 is the 158. Number of electron transferred is 5. But in case of the basic media, molecular weight does not change. Molecular weight of the KMnO4 is 158, but number of electron transferred is 3. In neutral media, molecular weight equal to 158, number of electron transferred equal to 1. Ultimately, look at here. In KMnO4, it acts as a good oxidizing agent. Equivalent weights is different based on the acidic nature, basic nature and the neutral nature. In case of the acidic nature, number of electron transferred is the 5. In basic media, number of electron transferred is 3. In neutral media, number of electrons transferred is the 1. Ultimately, second best example, K2Cr2O7. So, it is a good oxidizing agent. Ultimately, what is the principle? Molecular weight of the potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate, if you take 296 divided by number of electron transferred. Whatever compounds, chemical compounds of the potassium dichromate you take, the number of electron transferred is the 6 electron. That's why molecular weight of potassium dichromate by number of electron transferred, it is equal to the 6. Where these the KMnO4 important for your EAMCET examination. What he asks you, what is the equivalent weight of the KMnO4 in acidic media or basic media or neutral media, he asks you. Ultimately, what is the equivalent weight? The weight of one element that reacts with the 1.008 grams of hydrogen, 8 grams of oxygen, 35.5 grams of the chlorine. That weight is called the equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of the different substances can be calculated by using the different methods. What is the formula for atoms you take? Atomic weight by valency. What is the, how to calculate the equivalent weight of acid? Molecular weight of the acid by basicity. What is the basicity? Number of replaceable hydrogen ions. How to calculate the base? Molecular weight of the base by acidity. What is the acidity? Number of replaceable hydroxyl group. For the salt, molecular weight of the salt by total charge on the cation or anion. And what is the equivalent weight of the oxidizing agent or reducing agent? If you observe, molecular weight of the oxidizing agent or reducing agent divided by the number of electron transferred. In case of the KMnO4, the equivalent weights are different based on the condition. Nothing but whenever it takes place in the acidic media, 5 electron transferred. Same reaction, same KMnO4, whenever the reaction is carried out in the basic media, number of electron transferred is only 3. In case of the neutral media, number of electron transferred is 1. Thank you.